What's going on, everybody? Just allowing a few more people to get in today's live stream, so give me a few moments. All right, we're going to kick things off in a few minutes here. Just giving it a little bit more time for people to join the live stream. And again, guys, if you do want to chat in the live chat, don't forget we're trying to get this thing to 200 likes so we can open it up for everyone. Shout out to Teresa for making today's live stream. Going to start things off in a few more moments, ladies and gentlemen. 33 likes. Let's see if we can get this thing to 200, guys. We should be able to get this to 200 well before the open. So again, if you're currently watching, smash that like button. And it looks like DJT is trying to see a recovery from today's pre-market retracement, breaking that upper on that mid Bollinger Band. It looks as though that this may ride it here for majority the rest of the pre-market. You got that right. Mr. J. Again, guys, the ones that's able to chat here currently are the YouTube members. But again, we always reach our like goal in order to open that live chat. So don't worry, guys. I'm going to give it about 2 more minutes here before we really kick things off. There's our breakout. Guys, if you're still holding DJT, let me know. Let me know. Currently got 96 people watching, guys, and only 53 likes. Let's get those likes up. Good morning, indeed. What's up, Obi? Shout out to Tech Guy for being in the building. What do you think will happen today with DJT? Well, bullish here for the day on DJT due to the fact that shorts are the ones that is basically going to see a race to sale here, since the ball is currently in their court and we're heading into that election. And they have a nice profit window that may start closing here in today's trading day, which is ultimately going to put even more pressure on them to close those positions and take the profit that they have. DJT by the close between $37 and $42 here is my PT for the day. Currently got 106 people watching, guys. 67 likes. Make those likes add up. Again, I really want that live chat open, because I know it's a few questions you guys want to ask me here today, especially with only 2 days left. Well, today and tomorrow before we get the results of the election. And we see the market react to the election full-fledged. Here, PHUN is also seeing a recovery from today's pre-market retracement. Now, this is solely from shorts recovering, guys. And I just want to give a big thanks to those that recently subscribed to the channel, those that continue to leave likes here on the channel, the mods of the channel. Still holding DJT. Shout out Alfred. Alfred's still holding, guys. How many of you are still holding alongside Alfred? Yeah, the moment you guys open up that live chat, I know it's going to be a lot of questions. PLTR, we got a post-market earnings here today, guys. What I expect to see is a run in today's trading day leading up into that earnings report. Now, we do got call options playing through earnings, which I do feel as though that we're going to cross that $47 levels here. You got to take in consideration, guys, last earnings report was here, and the trajectory to the upside was pretty darn strong from the last earnings report. That being said, we feel as though that we're going to see the exact same type of pattern to the upside after this earnings report. So yeah, we're trying to see this thing cross those $47 levels as the result of a great earnings call. All right. Let's see here. We got that mid break. Now it's going to be if we recover from this here today, that's a very great strong sign. To break through that mid Bollinger Band to the downside, recovering before even getting close to that lower. I think that's what's in store for VSTE. As you all know, we called this last Friday on our live stream. Entry price of $2 and some change. And since alerting this stock in yesterday's pre-market, well, Friday's pre-market, this thing just took off. Especially here in today's aftermarket hours, guys, ultimately reaching and breaching our $8 high that we hit here in the trading day on Friday. We ran as high as $10.88 again from our $2.20 alert entry. And that is a full-fledged home run, guys. And it's looking as though that this thing may see a spike here throughout the trading day as well. Starting to see the volume slow down here in VSTE, but we should see a short cover take place here. Well, the likelihood of a short cover to take place throughout the trading day, especially with today's pre-market price action, is extremely high, coming off of Friday's high short sale day. A total of 5.31 million shares were sold short here in VSTE at that closing price of $4.80. Not saying that amount of shares were shorted at that price, but at the closing price, that's how many shares were sold short. So we're going to keep our eyes out on this thing to make another move here during today's trading for sure. PT high for the day for VSTE. I feel as though that with this thing stands a very great chance to cross those $12 levels with ease throughout the trading day if we do see that short cover take place. What we want to see is us stay above those $7.10 levels here for the open. Yeah, we getting tech guy VST is just doing us wonders, right? And again, guys, try to get that live chat open for me by smashing that like button. Now, let's go back to ADN. ADN is making a strong move here. We're on the 5-minute. This thing should continue to break here. Oh no. Fudge. ADN need to be. If y'all over in the Discord, you already got the price target on this thing, and we are getting close towards it. And just like that, let's get a 5% on that. We just hit our price target here in ADN. Okay, new price target coming up at everyone. New PT set for ADN. At 342 plus. All right, for those that is concerned about that. Wow, we already hit the price target, 342. All right. I'm sorry about that, guys. These things really get to moving. $356 plus will be the new price target. All right, for ADN. See what you guys saying in the live chat, guys. When the open starts, we're really gonna see a lot of momentum throughout the market, for sure. For sure. All right. Let's see. Is DJT doing well still? Okay, starting to see a little retracement. All right, DJT currently looks solid here for today. If you're new to the live chat, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Once we get 200 likes, the live chat will be open for everyone to communicate and share ideas. Currently got 124 people watching, so we should be able to hit that 200 like goal with ease, guys. All right, we looking for, again, $1.56 for this play. ADN. Let's check AMC really quickly. If you did catch yesterday's video on AMC, guys, then you know what we expect. We want to see this thing cross $5 here to cash in on our calls. And then shortly after, we're looking for $3.80 by the end of this month to cash in our puts. Okay, that is our options trading strategy for AMC, this earnings report. So I really think that's going to be an easy money move made for sure. But ADN is still trying to make that move to our 356 here. Thanks for that, Tech. I really do appreciate it. Okay. Really just waiting for the open though, guys. Once the open starts here today, things is gonna get much more obvious. Oh no. ENSC on the break here. Everyone. If you just caught that alert, we got a 84 cent plus price target here for ENSC short term. We may actually raise that price target depending on the price action that we are receiving when heading into the price target. So keep that in mind. ENSC. Yeah, this one that you guys may not want to miss out on. I think that is going to blow here pretty soon. Let's see what you guys talking about in the live chat. Anytime, Tech. Anytime. We got 92 likes, guys. We are approaching our halfway mark to open up the live chat. I know it's a lot of you guys out there that is waiting to ask me a question regarding PHUN, DJT, and others. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We just need 105 more likes, which we got 95 in about 18 minutes. So you guys get it. We're going to keep our eyes out on Staff Solutions just because we should get a bouncing dead cat here pretty soon, and I want parts of it. Which means we're going to set a 5% value on this and wait for it to give us an alert. Dollar, there we go, 350. We hit our price target. No, it's 356 for the PT. Well, we broke through that, right? New price target coming on up. All right. Set a new price target on ADN, everybody. For those that is concerned, that's what you came here for, right? Real-time alerts. And that thing is just fucking flying. All right, let's get a 382 PT set for ADN high risk hold from here, a high risk hold from here. Well, every time I go look at the Discord to type in a price target, I come back, we're past the price target, well past the price target, and I'm looking crazy. It's like, why? It's like, Obi, why the fuck you gotta be so fucking good at this, right? Why can't things just don't go your way? All right, new PC 402, man. ADN new PT set 402 plus. Thank God. Thank God. Okay, let's check out this live chat. Check it out. FLL not temp fake. Thank you, brother, for all you do. You know, I try my best, guys. I really do try my best. We currently got 100 likes. Finally crossed 100. We're halfway there to open it up this live chat. All right. All we need is 200 likes, 100 away. Currently got 135 people watching, which basically means the numbers aren't adding up. So far, we got 329 views on this video, which means we could have gotten that 200 likes by now. I just can't wait to talk to you guys. That's it. Right. VSTE. I think this may be gearing up for another move here, man. All we got to do is break that 823. For those that are still sticking around, that play. How much time before the open? 37 minutes. We got 37 minutes before the open, guys. Expect to see a very, very strong shift in momentum on DJT. I think we're going to see a lot of volume. Today and tomorrow should be some of the two, well, today, tomorrow, and the following day, should I say. These next 3 days, we should see extremely high volume here in DJT. Day before the election, day of the election, and day after. Okay. Finally, we hit our what? Finally. All right, I'm calling everyone. Consider profits on ADN. New PT set for 436 plus. 436 plus. You guys know I know. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Let's keep those likes coming. We're only 89 likes away from reaching our goal of opening this live chat so you guys can bombard me with questions about any ticker you guys can think of. I'll be here to answer it. And ENSC, how we looking? ENSC, how we looking? How we looking? Bounce mid Bollinger, we should be returning back towards those 78-cent levels, or breaking at 78-cent levels. Yeah, we should be heading towards those 84-cent levels here today in ENSC. That's what we're looking for. That mid Bollinger bounce is a strong one. Should be headed back towards this upper around 78 cent and breaking that SAR along it. Well, flipping the SAR along it. So yet. All right. Much time we got before the open? Yeah, we approaching that. Once we hit 30, the last 30 minutes till open, we should see a volume pickup. Not just in ADN. DJT should see a slight pickup in volume. A brief pickup, should I say. Any thoughts on NLSP? NLSP got a huge active buy right now, today's pre-market. Yeah, this thing look like it may be recovering back towards those $6 levels here. This thing opened up at today around those $6 levels. It could fly throughout the trading day. Keep your eyes out on NLSP. The definitive merger, huh? At the VSTE pickup that we were talking about. We gotta break that 8. Oh, we broke the 28.23 already. So this thing should see another fly, guys. Another flyby should be taking place here pretty soon. We got 114 likes, 128 people watching. Okay. We're getting closer towards that 200 likes. Closer and closer. This might break out, man. Well, not break out. It may run to the 2.50 levels, $2.50 levels here. Briefly, I do predict a rejection around the $2.50 levels, though. Just 30 minutes before the open, guys. We are getting closer. Closer and closer and closer. Volume is starting to pick up here. Let's see DJT really quickly. We broke that, briefly retraced. Right. Understand solutions. Just cross that 352. Cross that 352. Then we're headed to 365, and then we should be riding along that $4 level here. Okay, we're looking at what the heck is going on here? Market cap 7.88 million. That's extremely low. The share float even lower than that. Gotta keep our eyes out on this one, because this volatility is what we like to see here. Price above. No price above. Give me a bid and ask. No. Alerts. 3 minute above 5. Alright, so if I get any notifications on this, we may be alerting this thing. Yep, and there it goes. Staff solution break. We break that 363, man. It's should be headed towards this upper. So be looking out for that. Again, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to join the Discord. Got 115 likes so far. We are approaching our 200 like goal. We'll be opening up that live chat for you guys to, again, ask me any questions, engage and share ideas with each other here in today's live stream. All right, Obi, would you look at LPSN? Gotcha, Teresa. LPSN. I just seen another comment. Morning, team. Shout out to Bizzle putting in that work. Yeah, Daniel. Got to, man. Damn, Daniel. You're back at it again with the comments. Appreciate that, man. I really do. Let's check out LPSN. LPSN. Live person. Just looking at the sticks, super low in volume. We're getting around between 1 and 2 million volume on average. Short pool remaining. Well, market earnings here in a few days. Historic earnings trajectory since then. So from that peak, about a 36% increase from that earnings report. LPSN. Basically, what this thing is missing is volume. But I gotta check out their earnings really quickly. Okay. I would honestly see if we got options. We do, but nah. Yeah, I would wait on touching that thing. I wouldn't touch it just yet. I would short it going into earnings, though. Just off of historic trading patterns on their earnings report, posts on earnings reports. Can we hit our price target yet here, man? So we're looking for it at 430 here in ADN. $22 minutes before the open. These alerts are much more easier to find for me, guys, during the open. Well, 5 minutes post open. Pre-market comes with much more risk. Let's just say that. Yeah. I mean, anything can happen. It's just, I'm just going off of post earnings expectations. I mean, expectations for this earnings for PSN is lower than the quarter before. And if they don't meet those expectations, things can get ugly pretty quickly. So I will hedge my position on that. JC. Rejection along that mid on the 515 though. Still look okay. ATSG gap up this morning. I feel like this thing is going to retrace throughout the trading day. Back towards those mid $20 levels. $20.50 levels. We should be revisiting those here on the day for ATSG. For those that is wondering about that one, far as we're DJT here really quickly. Still holding key levels to today's open. GMOB, shout out to Steven Buckley for that one. Just got here. Staff, good to get in the market open for a short ride. Okay, far as staff, wait until the market open on that. See how the market reacts. If it does react to it in a bearish manner, keep your eyes out on it for a dead cat pop reversal. It isn't going to reverse to another day high. I don't think so just yet. But you do got a great, easy 7 to 15% bounce on STAF here. That's what you should be looking for. Quick 10% bouncer. I wouldn't be too quick to get on it before the market opened though. See how the market reacts to the opening share price here in STAF due to the fact that it didn't pop right away in yesterday's. It didn't pop right away in today's pre-market hours. So just see how the market reacts to it. First, it should react to it on a slight retracement and then a bounce. So yeah. Anytime, Steven. Anytime. Only 75 likes away from opening up that live chat. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Yeah, today gonna be a huge day. A lot of volatility is going to be across the entire market. Great for us options traders, right? Okay, we got coming up on only 15 minutes before the open. You guys know we find the best plays when the market is open. It's easier to pick out plays when the market is open, for me at least. So I think you guys may want to stick around for that. All right. Approaching only 70 likes before we open this live chat. I'm very interested in what you guys have to ask me here. Hopefully you guys got some stocks for me to analyze, man, so I can make a play on it. So I'm really looking forward to that. You guys always put some nice stocks in front of me to analyze, so only 15 minutes before the open. Get ready, guys. Get ready for these easy money plays, because I'm going to have them coming. TMXN, this thing is OTC. Has to be. For this thing to bounce off of this, man. If we bounce off of this, we should be headed back towards those 590 levels. Staff solution. The last 30 minutes, this thing has increased over 12%. Yeah. Staff may see a runaway at the open. Only 13 more minutes before the market is open. And for those that is new to this live stream, in case you were wondering, we need at least 200 likes in today's video before we can open up the live chat. So if it's any questions you guys want to ask me, don't worry, you will get a chance to ask here pretty soon, especially how fast these likes are coming in. So we may even get it before the open, guys. So this is the perfect time to go get your coffee started, get your little snack in, breakfast or whatever, because we start in about 12 minutes. In fact, I might just take my own advice, guys. I'm going to go fill up here. Another cup of coffee. Give me a few moments. And during this time, can you please take the time out? Maybe share the video link, Stock, Twits, Reddit, you name it, guys. That really does get a lot of people in here. Just one post, you guys will instantly see a major increase just off of current viewers alone. So Right, I am back. What did I miss? See what you guys talking about in the live chat. All right. 6 minutes before the open. Only 63 likes away from opening up that live chat, guys. Only 6 minutes away. 5 minutes before the open. It's about to be very exciting, guys. Hit that like button. Y'all heard what Tech Guy said, man. Hit that like button. It's a lot of questions you guys want answered. We already had 616 people view this video. We should have had the 200 likes with these. That's how I know we're going to hit the 200 likes. So no biggie. ADN, there we go for the breakout. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Guys, I know you want to ask me questions about this stock, man. I know it's plenty of questions out there. ADN, 436 was a new one. PT hit, man. Four more minutes. And counting. 48 likes. 58 likes away. Three minutes from the open. All right, what we want to look at here for open. I want to see how the market reacts to the DJT at open, man. Personally. All right. DJT for the open. If you're currently holding DJT throughout the election, I hope you took my advice. Got that put option. Because the put option expiration is well through the election, which covers our expectation for the retracement post-election. Our easy money call option made a wonderful return. Banking on ADN anytime, Teresa. You know I got your T-money. All right, 1 minute before the open. 1 minute before the open. What we guessing, guys? Up or down for the open? Up or down? Up or down? Do we close above $30 here today or under? I think we may see some halts here today in DJT. Just off the volatility in today's pre-market, it gave me a little idea on what to expect here. Wild open. You know what's crazy thing? Can you imagine Elon Musk a part of Donald Trump's administration? That would be insane. But break to the upside, slight break to the upside. Let's not get carried away here, right? Come on, man. Put that pressure on them. Close that window. Start closing that window. We need that 33.12 here. All right, DJT. Seems like it's shaped up. Let's see. VSTE on the retrace. Market's looking crummy right now. Straight anvil status. Acme anvil to be at that. All right, we got 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes before we can use our 5-minute ranking. So what we do at this time, we just watch the indexes. Okay, we got the Dow flipping already. Much more flashing going on with the open, right? Yeah, that's what we want to see. That's what I like to see. All I'm waiting for is that 5-minute ranking to kick in. Because right now, it's basically just showing the open gain. Well, the entire gain. As you can see, 5-minute ranking is matching the actual change. That's going to stay the same for the first 5 minutes. So again, for those that is somewhat learning how I use the 5-minute chart, well, the 5-minute ranking, this is why we can't use it within the first 5 minutes, because it basically just gives you the change, total change of the stock, not actually the 5-minute ranking. So for those who's wondering, Opie, what you doing? Like NUWE, it's breaking out. It broke past that mid. If we break that 238, it's going to fly. All right. We got about 2 more minutes before this tool becomes useful. And we are approaching that 238, and NUWE should actually. There you go. Now it's about to start flying. Broke the 238. We got about 1 minute left before the 5-minute ranking start working here. We got LEDs popping up for us. Didn't we put a whatchamacallit on this? I think. Oh fuck. Y'all seen it. We put the damn thing on it, but I just needed to pop one time. And it popped one time, and we alerting this thing. Entry 140, PT 154 plus. All right, man. Our staff solutions. Okay. Checking for the open. LEDs. This thing about to fly, man. It's about to fly. Low share float 900,000. Call that a micro float. Anytime that it's under 1 million, they consider that a micro float. Huge in volatility. That's what we like to see when we're in momentum plays. Yeah, the markets is ugly here today. A 5-minute ranking. I think we spoke about this. We break that to what? It should fly. 230, something like that. I forgot. 238 or something like. I forgot. Unknown stock. Okay, that's our AMC calls. Short-term calls. Because we play calls and then puts for AMC. All right, we at the 36. Oh, I'm on the New York Stock Exchange. And now, as you guys can see here, the 5-minute ranking is not matching the change anymore. You literally have to wait until after the first 5 minutes of the trading day begins in order to use a 5-minute ranking. DJT is just... Oh my God, this thing should fly here, man. We need this thing to cross that $34 levels. But let's find something new, right? Because there is always something new. Yeah, this should break a new high. Should break that 312 here. For those that is in it, would I chase it? No. Wouldn't chase this thing. If you're not in it now, don't even bother. It is staying at the top on the 5M. That's a great sign for the continuation of this uptrend. ADN. ADN may see a halt. It's the bid and ask volume is just too large, and it's slowly increasing. VSTE seems like it's on the retrace for the day. SMCI. The markets are terrible here so far. Let's say that. We're seeing that reaction to heading into the election. We're seeing the market react as if though Donald Trump is going to lose. We're seeing the market react like a lot of people think he's going to lose here because See how many likes we got here. 55 likes away from opening up the live chat, guys. We got 143 people currently watching. If you haven't smashed that like button just yet, do it now so I can open up this live chat. I know it's a lot of people out there that want to ask me questions regarding DJT, PHUN, AMC, Palantir, NVIDIA, AMD, you name it, guys. So, don't forget it. He's shaking out the tree, trying to get money to fall, huh? There go that break on this thing. We woo. Should be breaking that 312 any minute. Like I said, guys, this isn't something you want to chase here. I'm just saying this for those that is currently in the play. All right. All right, AMC call. Let's see what it's doing. Still sitting there. It's just steady notifying me, so I thought we had some movement on it. Yeah, man, 312. Where's this SAR at? 310? Yeah, this thing is about to fly, man. That 312 should be. If the SAR is at 310. Oh, the 15-minute chart. Okay, yeah, man, this thing should break that 312 with ease because the SAR is so close. After breaking both of those, I give you guys a new price target, but that 315 should be cleared here pretty soon. Starting to see the markets make a recovery. That is also good alongside our plays. VKTK? TX? I said TK. VKTX. Next leg up. About 45 likes away from opening up this live chat. I'm curious to what you guys gotta ask me. What stocks you guys are about to ask me to analyze. See if I can get them out the way now, right? Let's see if I can get these stocks out the way, because see, there goes our circuit breaker, and we've done it again, guys. Oh. All right, quick question. Halt, up, or down, guys? Where are we headed after this circuit breaker? For those that is curious, halts are minimum 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes long. So, yeah, guys. And just as a reminder, if you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord. Sign up link is in the description below. All right, let's check out our 21 intraday so far. Active buy sits at 2.81 million here, with the active sell at 2.26 million. We should see this thing continue throughout the trading day. We should see another high here pretty darn soon. We're about 41 likes away. Only 41 likes away before that live chat get open. We are getting close. We are getting close. I wonder did any of you guys actually jump the gun? Because I know a lot of you guys just don't mind the risk and instantly bought this thing when I said it's going to continue. Some people just love the FOMO. Shout out to the 38 more likes needed. The 38 more likes needed in order to open this live chat is nothing. All right, we're going to hit that 38 likes. I say we can hit that 38 likes in the next 4 minutes, guys. 38 likes in the next 4 minutes. Can we do it? Let's look at our AMC calls. Still sitting around 12 cents. I keep getting that notification as if it's moving. Pharmaceutical stock, 44 million on the top, 45 million below, with a market cap of 70 million. I will pass for now. RILY, Mid Bollinger break. What's going on here? See the day chart. Not liking that. Not too thirsty on that. MAXN is on the flyby. Only 35 likes until we open up that live chat. Man, I really do wonder what stock you guys are going to have me analyze. So we done went over so many here today. Ain't that something? It breaks to the upside, guys. I know a lot of you guys. Breaks to the upside. And here come another hold. And there you go. I had to call them over at the NASDAQ and let them know, stop this thing. My people need to enter. All right. Just stop it really quickly. And then they just stopped it for us. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. I think it says rabbit's foot around my neck. I don't know. All right, we're approaching. We are approaching 32 likes and counting, guys. 32 likes before the live chat opens. Free game, free game, free game. Shout out to those that got an NUWE. But personally, guys, you know how I do things. You got some YouTubers out there that will suggest to buy this thing at this price, or would suggest to buy a stock that's up 200% on the day, saying it's going to continue to go up, even if they feel as though that it's, even if I'm 100% sure that this thing going to continue to go up, I'm not going to mention to buy it, because a lot of people are easily misled. But what we thinking? Up or down? Up or down, guys? We open to the upside or open to the downside? Ooh, we're about to be only 30 likes away. Guys, I know you got a lot of... Shout out to Mike. Mike in the building. Mike is here. DJT up at $1.50 in 1 minute. Yo, Mike, where you been, man? Now we can finally start the live stream. That Mike's here, guys. Up so far? We should see. Maybe something very important I had to do here. Just forgot that quick. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right. Just 30 likes away. I'm getting anxious. All right, we should be opening up here in the next minute or so. Should be opening up the next minute or so. Uh-oh, only 28 likes away. I'm just excited, guys, that we're about to open this live chat. There's about to be questions flying. Today, guys, bring me some heat. Bring me some good tickers. No OTCs, guys. No OTCs. Please don't. Let's stay away from the EVs in today's video. 1, 2, yeah. 5 went across, so we should be opening up here any second now. I got 2 messages. Let's make a proper... I'm just reading the chat. And it is open. It crossed that mid. It crossed that $3. She's at 322. It crossed that 322. Man, might want to hang that up for the day. Find something else here. Uh-oh. That mid cross, trying to recover back to it, but it looks like a rejection at that 32.50. Momentum in DJT just slowed down drastically. NUWE retracing pretty fast and fast. We got M. What's up with Chewy? We'll take a look at Chewy. I got you, Mike. We're only 23 likes away from opening up that live chat. We'll take a brief look at Chewy. Shout out to Mike for being a YouTube member. I would be willing to get some puts on this thing. I think it's about to return back towards those $24 levels here before the year's over with. Fuel cell. Only 22 likes away before we're able to open this live chat. Again, guys, if you're new to the live stream, can you please take the time out now to hit that like button? We're just 22 likes away from opening up the live chat so I can answer all the questions you have for me. SMCI is seeing a lot of movement today, man. Has been for these last few days. After that drop, I think we're in the turnaround phase for SMCI. Put that in the major buy alert section. Send that out. Canopy growth is up on the day. Oh yeah, weed stocks should see a little rally here leading into the election as well. Just 20 likes away, guys. You know what? Well, we're not waiting. Not waiting anymore. Tried to wait it out. Now you guys can comment. What's going on with MAXN? Still moving here. Data dog. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Live chat is now open. Live chat is now open. So the reason why weed stocks is because Kamala is trying to legalize marijuana, recreational marijuana, of course. So, however you say her name. Check the live chat, see what you guys got to say here. Whoa. For retracement. How low of a retracement do you think DJT for the day, man? DJT can drop as low as $24 before this election if we stay a course of what's going on here, but I got a feeling that shorts may actually give in before the election due to the risk that is involved. And who wants that profit window to close? What's up? I see we got PHUN in there. TNYA QBTS. Nah, NUWE is comes with too much risk at this point. It's done what it's done. And now, you see what questions you guys got. My thoughts still remain the same on LEDS. Harry. PHUN should follow along DJT. Whatever direction DJT is going, PHUN will be alongside it with a much wider range of trade. They trying to get that acquiring, controlling interest. $1.02 million. It's not much at all. Holding DJT at 32. Can you go over what made you think NUWE was going to run up? What is that? Destroyed. 5-minute ranking, baby. That's it. Do it in real time all the time for you guys. The 5-minute ranking is the only thing I use. Y'all didn't see me use a chart or none of that. Charts are nothing but smoke and mirrors, man. That's it. I just look at the bid volume, keep my eyes on the bid volume, make sure that bid ratio is healthy. It's not negative, making sure that the bids are consistently outpacing the ask. I'm looking at that spread to see how much market makers are involved, and a comparison to share float and share count gives me a thought process of how fast could the stock actually move. And then I process it all. Then I give my answer. I hope DJT can hit $50 post-election if he wins. If he wins, DJT will shoot up. PHN will shoot up. But they're going to shoot down even faster. So that's why we playing puts. DJT puts. The race to sell just came a little bit faster than expected. So yeah, guys. PHUN should follow along that. Smart Money did rug pull early on DJT, and those extra large and large scale orders tend to be what we call smart money. That's when you get the small scale retail investors reacting to that a little bit late. So let's say we see a short exit, playing it safe. What does that do to price action later today? If we're seeing a short exit, basically shorts covering, shorts got to buy back the shares that they shorted, no matter what the price is currently at, which ultimately helps move the share price up, which ultimately hurts other shorts, and then you get a domino effect, which is shorts race to sell. A short seller isn't biggest enemy isn't longs. All right, short seller biggest enemy is another short seller that is covering. So it's like crabs in a bucket for shorts. SPPL moving. VSTE seems as though I have seen its high on the day in today's pre-market. See what the live chat talking about here in a second. SMCI. ADN. I see those short cycles to downside. Let's see if we can find another play here today. And shout out to those that did actually tune in today's live stream. Let's see, duo. Staff is hitting, but it needs to break that mid. It's at 290. It will flip the SAR alongside that. That will be extremely bullish, but reaching that 355 from there is a tough call for now. Let's see what the live chat has to say. Bought Chewy. Mike bought Chewy. NUWE doesn't seem like it's going back up. Huge ask orders. It's basically in control right now, but anything can happen. We can see a shift here shortly, but as of now, the asks are in control. TNYA is going up. Let's check that out. That must be going shorts talking to me. Going shorts, that's you? Kicking carpet? That gotta be. No. P Will. ADN, good entry, leave it alone. ADN done its thing already. I made 3 on that. What we talking about, Steve? What we talking about? NUWE? Steve, you know I had to hit you upside the head with a home run play, man. You a YouTube member. You know I got your back. ADN, good entry. I wouldn't touch it right now, man. Right? Just wait around for another play. For another alert. Which I'm going to be alerting shortly after this live stream. So be over in the Discord. So you won't miss out on any of my alerts, of course. Discord link is in the description below. TNYA pushing. Did you want me to post today? Yep. Okay, currently live. Seems like I get more Discord DMs when I'm live than when I'm not. LEDS, we haven't hit that in a while, but still waiting on that to hit its price targets. But NUWE isn't something that you want to chase, guys. Increasing reimbursement rate. Yeah. It's nothing you want to chase. Don't kick yourself if you left money on the table with a penny stock, you know. Starting reverse here. Slight. But it comes with too much risk on the retracement, guys, for you to chase this right now. So EPIX. CGC, thinking of buying some. Talking about canopy growth, huh? I mean, the CGC, the ACB's year teal raise, they're running here in anticipation that the Kamala Harris lady is going to win the election. That's why you're seeing that run. So it's a speculative buy if she do win. I mean, you can hedge yourself like that. If you're holding DJT, you can go buy you some Tilray, ACB, or even canopy growth, which will basically be your hedge against your Trump favorite stocks. Forgot the price target on LEDS, but I will remind you guys, for those that is concerned, $1.54 is the price target. $1.54 plus. Sorry about that. We may see this SAR flip. Yeah, we see that SAR flip here alongside this. Price target should be easily met. It looks like NUWE may be on the turnaround here. Is it worth the chase? No, it is not. We can find something else with less risk and more potential, guys. We just gotta wait for it to come to us. That's it. Just wait for it to present itself. But you see how that thing is just, yeah, it's making a recovery back towards those $3.52 levels. We should cross the 352s. All right, 370, 360. A little bit higher than that 352, but BTC. What's going on with NNE? Day chart retracement. Did the dilution hit? Yup. About fucking time. About fucking time. Now, guys, they ain't got shit to dilute. Well, they got 3 million shares linking around, but what's 3 million shares to 30 million? That's a 10% flood, but they're not going to be offering that 3 million shares anytime soon. About time. So the worst has came for NNE. Now it's time to buy the stock. I will be doing the NNE update here today. Make sure you guys check that out. Please check that out, guys. I know a lot of y'all been asking me about that play. We had a $1.40 here. We're looking for our 52s. So LEDS, still feel the same about that. Let's check out live chat. Appreciate you, Obi. You're on it. You already know, Carl. You already knew. Chewy jumping past 29. Shout out to Mike again. Jamia could be an earnings play. Jamia tend to actually have some wild earnings. Let's say that. Some surprising earnings, should I say. Earnings on the 7th. I'll do some, let me see. Oh, yeah, I'll do some calls. I'll get some calls. Hold up. I'll get some calls. Just on the, if. No, I take that back. Take that one back. Wouldn't get calls. I will do put options on that if I'm long on it, but if I don't have a fight in it, basically long or short, I wouldn't play earnings on it. Can you see any swing plays? You guys love to hit me with that on the exit, don't you? Right when I'm thinking about getting off the stream, you guys hit me with the old swing trade trick, huh? You get me every time. Every time. I got a swing for you when it comes to me. Let me see. See, on the swing trade side, I'm going to give you something with a low. With a low. The Twitter messages are insane. We were sailing along. You can hear the voices singing. We had $1.52 on that. That's what we're looking for, $1.52 on that. $1.54, sorry. $1.54 on LEDS. Fuel sales still sticking around. MAXN is seeing its reverse stock split charge. VKTX. Viking Therapeutics may be done for the day. Fuel cell back in 2021. Yeah, that was the beginning of the meme. Our meme era. Fuel cell. You had Plug Power, seeing beautiful gains. Jaguar Health. I can just keep naming them. The market was so easy. End of 21 and the beginning of 2022. You really didn't have to be good at it. You can literally just close your eyes and just pick a stock and take an easy 15 to 20% gain within 2 weeks. It was like, I don't know, it was a magical times, guys. It was very magical. I'm trying to learn how to I'm trying to pronounce that one. It's the big O, baby. We got love fuel cell over. You still think we close 37 to 42 by the end of it today? It really depends, man. We need that short. We need those shorts to cover on DJT. Honestly, like if shorts, basically major hedge funds and institutions have heavily shorted DJT in the last 3 days of trading, extremely high, and we don't see any type of price action that can actually point to a huge portion of those shares have been covered, which means one thing, those short positions are becoming stacked. Maybe they are going to hold until well after the election, where it's obviously the share price is going to be well under $15 at that point. But it's going to cost them. It's going to cost them an estimated borrow fee. Depending on today's price action, like if we see a little price action, we see some FOMO coming in from retail investors. That is the type of price action that can, especially when you're 2 days away from an election, that's the type of price action that can make a short decide, you know what, while I'm in the profit, let me just close now and get back in after the election. You don't want that profit window to start closing. Same thing for longs, guys. If you're up 80% on the play and it starts coming down, that really gets you to think, it may be time for me to lock in these gains, right? The same thing for shorts. Same thing for shorts. Man say, LRHC says, LRHC has a breakout vibes. Hold. Make sure you guys check out that. The growth focused strategy from LRHC. Looks like, all right, guys, we just got attacked by the LRHC. Where did I post that made? Somebody must have posted the video somewhere, and the LRHC team is in the building. I'm not going to lie, that is a pumper's approach, guys. You just get a whole bunch of comments about one stock out of nowhere, back to back to back from different accounts. That is what you call a stock pumper's approach. Can't believe they tried that one with me. It's not my first rodeo. They like, I used to see this all the time on Reddit. They'd be like, so and so's live, guys. Let's get on this live and comment AMC everywhere. It's stuff like that. But yeah, though, guys, we just hit our. We never do streams 2 hours long. It's always an hour, so. Hope it boosts the algorithm for you, man. I hope it do too. But my AMD is fine. AMD is fine. When you're looking at AMD, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Google, you have to look at it at least a 3-year outlook. We're talking about AMD here. Nvidia's biggest competitor. That alone is worth something. Just being the biggest competitor of the number one selling GPU manufacturer in the world. That alone sells. And in fact, every Xbox, PlayStation, basically the main game consoles, they run on AMD chips. All right, so it's going to be very interesting once we get more information on the new consoles. Who actually wins that contract? Will it be Nvidia or AMD? It really comes out to efficiency and cost. Who really is going to win that? But one thing that AMD has going for itself is they tend to actually make more efficient products, a better efficient product than Nvidia. It's like, how can I explain this? Nvidia will make a chip. Let's say today, it comes out today. AMD will probably drop their chip a month and a half later, which will slightly have better specs than the Nvidia, because AMD tends to actually release shortly after Nvidia with a slightly better specs at a lower cost. But Nvidia has built a household brand that is untouchable. Shout out to my boy Tom. Oh, Teresa did that. Shout out to Teresa. Shout out to Teresa for that one. You seen that one coming, huh? She got those comments up out of there. Thanks again for moderating. NVDA might invest in AXAI, Elon Musk, AI company. Guys, I just seen a tweet that they say Elon Musk may find itself on the Trump's administration. If that is the case, I think Elon may be sending more than just satellites in outer space here pretty soon. So, to $120 anytime, like, guys, when you guys make money, that really, 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 really gets me going. It really, really makes me feel as though that I'm doing something right here. Any recovery in sight, MAXN must drop pretty darn bad. But we're about to look at it really quickly. GSAT on top 3, huh? GSAT, huge ass volume. God dang, why is the volume running in here like this? This candle here was a million volume candle with a 1.67 million turnover. Okay, I gotta keep my eyes out on this. All right, GSAT, I like the volatility, which is only going to offer a opportunity. I'm not saying it's going to be a big opportunity, but opportunity is going to present itself. So I got to put a 3%er on that and just get ready to alert it. I mean, I like the volatility that's showing here in GSAT. All right, so it has potential. I got to watch what I say here, because if I say the wrong thing, you guys might just go out and buy it. MAXN. MAXN is severely overbought. So I wouldn't bet on this continuing at all for a very long time. Like, we may see a green day here tomorrow, but that's going to multiply the risk that's involved. This thing has been closing above that upper these last 3 days of trading. So watch out. Watch out on the retracement if you do plan on getting in. MAXN. I wouldn't hold it over $12. But the GSAT, it should be ringing for us here pretty soon. Anytime, Billy. I got you. Asked about Chewy. All right, let's see. Did we look at Chewy? Yeah, we did. It's right there in the history, but I got you. Now, like I said before, man, Chewy. I will place puts on Chewy here pretty soon. Let's make sure we could. Yeah, I'll be looking for puts here pretty soon on Chewy. But short term, though, SAR flip too. A gap up with a SAR flip. This thing could be headed towards $30 here today. More so closer towards $31. Leaning closer towards $31 than $30 here in CHWY Chewy. I don't really expect a major rally here this upcoming quarter. But with them actually set to join the S&P mids here, we'll give you a short-term pop in price. GCG, VSTE, plug power, ATHA. We had 66 cents. 67 cents was the high. There we go. Here comes the breakout. ADN has hit the scale again. Riot platforms. BFRI is done. I think so. He's supposed to be in charge of downsizing. ADN. That was a long range of consolidation, right? We stayed between the range of 310 and 340, a 10% hold there. And a mid-Bollinger breakdown. We may see another charge here back towards those $3.90 levels here in ADN. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes out on the movement here for today. Now, I'm going to let you guys go here. We went a little bit over. We usually do an hour of live stream, but we went 2 hours here today. Be looking out for update videos on DJT PHUN, especially the Palantir video that I'm about to drop, which is going to give you a very great insight on what to expect for this upcoming earnings report. So with no further ado, I'm going to let you guys go and make the gains be with you.